Now in this question they asked to find what is length of the lattice rectum, the ellipse. They given the equation of the ellipse. In ellipse there are two types there, parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. This is a parallel to x-axis. How I am saying, a square is the denominator of x term. If a square is the denominator of y term, you can say length of lattice is the y-axis. So the diagram is parallel to the y-axis. If a square is the denominator of the x square, then come to conclusion, the ellipse is parallel to the x-axis. So just to draw the ellipse parallel to the x-axis. Okay. Now they asked to find what is the length of the lattice rectum. The question example sum 5.50. That is in page number 187. So for example, lattice rectum, through the lattice rectum only, through the focus only, the lattice rectum passes through. So in here vertex is 0, vertex is 0, 0. Then there are two types we learn. Parallel to x is vertex 0, 0, vertex not 0, 0, h, k. Then what is the focus? I guess we learn. So when vertex 0, 0, the focus is AE, 0. Why I am mentioning the focus? Because the lattice rectum passes through the point focus. So this is lattice rectum L and the L dash. L and the L dash. Now what is the equation of the lattice rectum? If we take the L coordinate, so you want mark x, that length is what AE. With the help of focus we understand that is what AE. Then we don't know what is this height. Assume as a y1. If mark the L dash, it become what AE, minus y1. They asked to find what is the length of the lattice rectum. So length of lattice rectum L dash equal to up to here y1, there also y1. So we take as what 2y1. If you multiply y1, then multiply by 2. After finding y1 value, multiply by 2, you can able to get length of the lattice rectum. Okay. So we want to find what is the y1. So you know the equation of the ellipse. They given the question x squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared. So equation 1 passes through the point. The ellipse passes through the point L. That is what AE, y1. So the ellipse passes through the point AE, y1. Then substitute the value in the equation 1. So what will come instead of x squared, substitute AE. So AE the whole square by a square plus y1 square by b square equal to 1. Now what will come a square into e square by a square plus y1 square by b square equal to 1. A square cancel. Then y1 square by b square equal to 1. E square become 1 minus e square. Then y1 square equal to cross multiply b square into 1 minus of e square. B square equal to 1 minus of e square. Now substitute the value. What is the e value? Already mentioned the e value. So e equal to so y1 square equal to this value. Now still e is there. So what is e value? The beginning I mentioned. If you one more time I will say what is e value. E value equal to square root of 1 minus of d square by a square. Then e square what will come 1 minus of d square by a square. So instead of e square substitute this value. So y1 square equal to b square into 1 minus of d square by a square. Okay. And multiply inside. So b square into 1 minus 1 plus b square by a square. So 1 cancel. So we have 2 times of b square by a square. Sorry, it's not a multiple. Okay, 1 cancel. Then b square into b square by a square is the y1 square. When you multiply b square the whole square by a square, then we take b square by a the whole square. This is the y1 square. Then y1 equal to b square by a. So after finding y1, in substitute here, we want to find length of the lattice rectum. So length of lattice rectum equal to 2y1. So 2 into we have b square by a y1 value. So 2 b square by a is the length of the lattice rectum.